Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the Mazda CX-9 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside your vehicle's cabin, typically found on the driver's side near the floorboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the hood partially unlatches. Once you hear that sound, move to the front of your Mazda CX-9. Once the hood is slightly ajar, you'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is usually found underneath the front edge of the hood, often near the center. Carefully reach into the gap and feel around for a small lever or tab. You might need to push it to one side or pull it upwards to fully disengage the latch. Be gentle but firm.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, and the Owala water bottle is fantastic for that. It keeps your drinks cold for hours. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically located on the underside of the hood or near the radiator support. Take the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the vehicle's frame to securely hold the hood open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clips. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot or 12 inches above the engine bay. Finally, push down firmly on the center or sides of the hood to ensure both latches click securely into place. Give it a quick check to confirm it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.